How to send money with Apple Pay. In today's video, I'll show you how to send money using Apple Pay. It's fast, easy, and secure. Before sending money, make sure your Apple Pay is set up. Open the Wallet app. If you haven't added a card yet, tap the plus button at the top right to add a credit or debit card. Follow the prompts to scan your card or enter the details manually. Once it's added, you're ready to send money. Now open the app Messages app on your iPhone. Apple Pay works through iMessage, so we'll send money through a conversation. As you can see here, first thing you need to do is select the contact you want to send the money to. You can send money to anyone who has Apple Pay set up and they'll receive it instantly. In the message conversation, look for the plus icon and simply tap on Apple Cash. After that, it should appear in the next field. Simply tap the amount. A screen will pop up where you can enter the amount you want to send. Type in the amount and hit pay. Next, you'll need to confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You'll see a confirmation message in your conversation, and your recipient will get an instant notification of the payment. And that's how you send money using Apple Pay.